check.
Greetings to all. Mama, क्या बोलना है?
Thank you, Laranya.
Mama, सीधे से बोलूँगी क्या?
Greetings to all.
Greetings to all.
I am Laranya Chaudhary
I am Laranya Chaudhary
from class KGC.
from class KGC.
Thank you, Laranya.
Give them
That
a-
is what happens when you prepare at the last moment. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. I'm mother of Laranya Chaudhary and Ashmi Chaudhary. Both my girls are here. We're participating in this show because the topic clicked very well to me. From trash to fash. Now what I want to highlight as the mother of two girls is the fashion industry and the trash that they are creating in the world. I'm sure all of us are aware they are the biggest and the largest producers, pollutants in the world. So as a mother of girls, I ensure whatever I use, I reuse multiple times and then discard. Like this dress that I'm wearing is made out of an old favorite sari of my mom. I tried to recreate something and then do it. For this dress that Laranya is wearing has already been used by her elder sister, and we will make sure that we discard it to somebody who reuses it once again. Thank you.
Great efforts, I would say. Our next participant is RW0T.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Tanvi Behel. I'm mother of Kyansh Behel from KGA, and we are dressed as Mother Earth and a drop of water. So as we all know, Mother Earth is known as the mother of nature, which has embodied itself to provide life to all of us. So it's our duty to save Mother Earth, and the foremost duty, one of the foremost duties to save is to save water. Every drop counts, and today, like as we are short of water, and as we all know, without water there's no life. So we have to save every drop of water by every effort we can make, and that is what I have taught my son. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Judges, please note RW03
Save
is
water,
not-
save life.
Thank you.
Great. Judges, please note RW03 is not here. I would like to invite RW04. It's working.
Hello everyone, very good morning and happy Mother's Day to everybody. I am Agastya's mother. Unfortunately he's a little sick, so he's not here with me. And in this fashion show today, I'm wearing a suit which I have hand painted. So the theme, or you can say the basic things that we should always remember and should inculcate in our kids is that we should have a minimalistic approach in our lives. They say that, simple living and high thinking. So I had this cloth just lying, at my place, and I had all these things which were already there. So I just hand painted this whole using some fabric colors, and I created something so beautiful. So this is something I just wanted to share, and on a larger scale, for everybody to know. In India alone, globally, we have 42 million tons of waste getting created every single year. So all the ladies, stop shopping, think creatively, and create something nice for yourself and your family. So thank you so much, and hope you all have a great day. Thank you.
Great thought. Now I would like to invite RW05.
Good morning. नहीं
राधे राधे भैया
नहीं बोलना
क्लैपिंग कर रहे हैं सब बोली बोली बोलिए तो राधे राधे
राधे राधे
भैया 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 बोलो 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 बोलो
नहीं
आई एम रक्षित मदर क्लास नर्सरी। आज हम लोगों ने द्वापर युग के हिसाब से ड्रेस धारण की है। यशोदा मैया और कृष्ण कन्हैया। जैसे कहते हैं माँ होती है, माँ का कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं है, चाहे वो द्वापर युग हो या सतयुग हो या कलयुग हो। हम दोनों का ये धारण करने का यही एक उद्देश्य है कि माँ की ममता कोई भी युग हो पर वो कम नहीं होती है। ठीक, धन्यवाद।
Beautifully said. 6.
Hello everyone, my name is Amira Sharma. I study in Stancy. Today our slogan is no use plastic. Plastic is like a knife which harms our life. Handle with care. Plastic is everywhere.
All right.
So no use plastic, only use paper like my mother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. Very creative, I must say. All right, let's welcome our next participant, RW07.
हेलो मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, पेरेंट्स। मैंने पेपर और मैगजीन से एक ड्रेस वेयर की है जिसका मेरा मोटो ये है कि एक पेपर और इसके लिए कितना पेड़ कटते हैं जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। तो मैं चाहूँगी कि इसका कम से कम यूज़ हो, रिसाइकल हो, रीयूज़ हो। थैंक यू।
Very creative. Very creative, I must say. Let's welcome our next participant, RW08.
Hello, I am Reema Nagar.
And I am Mansha Nagar, and we will 5D, and we will present an act together.
Okay, save paper.
We want 2 mics. Who did this?
Mike.
Why did you did this? Because if any animal eats it, it would die also.
Okay, I don't know this.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. But don't throw paper anywhere again, because if any animal eats it, it would die too. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, we should learn that we we should not throw paper, plastic bottles anywhere, because if any animals eat it, it would die too. Thank you.
Thank you, my lovely daughter. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite RW09.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Navika Shrivastava. I study in class 3B. This is my mother. Her name is Aanchal Shrivastava. And this is all outfits. They are made with foil curtains. Thank you.
Left on your birthday.
Which were left on my birthday. Happy Mother's Day.
Great. Very creative. Okay, let's welcome our last participant for the day, RW10. Please note these are the students. The mothers are not here for the participants. Mother is here. That's great. Great.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Namya. My topic is say no to plastic. Poly bear, here and there. Poly bear, everywhere. In the water, up in air, on the road, everywhere. Thank you. Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Navya. My topic is newspaper. Newspaper is a written mode of news. We can read news from a newspaper. Newspaper provides us lots of knowledge. Thank you.
Lovely it was. All right, everybody. Now I would like to invite all the participants for the ramp walk to come up on the stage for the final look. Huge round of applause, everybody.